Alright, my friends, up to this point we have learned about a server and a website and what is the benefit of a server. In this video I'm going to show you how we can access a website from a server. Now I'm going to open this slide right here. Alright, so as you can see, ladies and gentlemen, we have these two we have this laptop right here. For example, I want to access an X website, any website that I want to access from the server. Then what I will do, I will go ahead and copy or take this number right here. It is the identifier for a website on a server, because we have told you previously that a server, what it's going to do, it's going to go ahead and organize the website with a unique numbers on the server. So what it's going to do, it's going to take a website A and put, for example, a unique number. Okay, two websites cannot ever have the exact same ID or the unique number. All right, so our job is to give it the ID of the website, and what it's going to do, it's going to search inside it. Okay, and it's gonna, if the website exists, okay, then it's gonna say, hey, there you go, here is the website. Otherwise it's gonna respond with an error. Okay, now I just want to clarify that the operation, it is much more complicated than what I have made it. Okay, in the next few videos, in the more intermediate stuff, I'm gonna talk more about HTTP request and how we are gonna get a website and so on. All right, and the protocols and so on, right? But for the time being, understand it like this. Here is the laptop, gonna give the server the ID of a website, then the server will search about this ID. If it exists, then it's gonna respond with the website. Otherwise it's gonna respond with an error. So as you can see, ladies and gentlemen, this is how the general idea works. So we are asking the server with the specific ID, the server respond if the website exists. So hopefully that makes sense. Thank you, my friends, so much for watching. See you in the next one.